You might be thinking to yourself, oh great, another really long vlog about another really long weekend. But not exactly. I've been pretty inspired by Peter Lindgren out of Sweden. Not necessarily to vlog every day. That just seems a little excessive for long periods of time. Casey Neistat did it. Peter did it for a while. But I do want to kind of try vlogging a little bit more, just because there are days where I have some fun things planned. Like today, I am actually on my way to a member of the church that I work at, their home, where they are doing some woodwork, getting ready for a birdhouse build for families in a couple weeks, actually 1 week. So I figured it'd be a lot of fun to kind of do a vlog around that and get some cool, fun B-roll. It's a lot of fun to work somewhere that does a lot of different things. That's a group called Men in Mission, I believe. Some of them are also on a group called Relief and Recovery, and they're just a talented group of men and women who they do a lot of work. Throughout the year, they build wheelchair ramps. They go and do recovery mission trips in places that need it. They just have a group that is so diverse in their skill set. A lot of them are good with woodworking. You've got some metal workers in there. You've also got some electricians and plumbers. And you've got a lot of jacks of all trades in there. And it's a lot of fun to see their passion for the work and for helping others. They do a lot of great work. And it's never a dull moment hanging out with them. They're a lot of fun. And I always, even though I don't hardly ever get to like do things with them, like I don't actually get to do the woodwork, I don't get to do any of the electrical work and all that, but I always I learn a little something from just watching through the lens. And I really enjoy people like Dan Armstrong, Sid Sidley, and that whole group, Sam and everybody, all the Rogers. There seem to be like 5 Rogers. I think there's really only 2, but it's a lot of fun to hang out with that group, get to film them, photograph them, and kind of pump up what they're doing, not just here in Evans, not just here in Augusta, but what they do for the Southeast and for other areas too. It helps that most of them are retired, so they're able to do things during the middle of the week that somebody like myself couldn't necessarily do, but they are looking for fresh blood, so to speak, younger guys that can keep up the tradition, keep up the quality of work that they do. And I enjoy doing that. So now on to a children's nativity play. Cue all the cuteness, all that fun stuff, because I know that there's going to be silly faces, there's going to be waving at mom and dad, that kind of thing. My morning's done about 11. It was actually done about 11:30, but I wanted to make sure some things got posted and scheduled out. So now I get to go spend the rest of the day hanging out with family. So I will catch y'all in the next video.